Okay guys, in this video I'm going to document my troubles with the Mondeo. No, I say troubles, it's been a great car. So far so good. I've got no plans on kind of selling it, I don't think. I've really enjoyed it. It's going to be a good second car, good spare car, good dog car, good tower. So I'm going to do the problems that I found. I'm going to sort them out. I'm going to get this car okay. First problem that I noticed is a worn lock set. So I've got a new lock set ordered. Only need to replace this lock, bonnet lock and driver's door lock. So it's only 3. It was cheap enough. I think it was £30. Second problem I noticed, I can lock the car off the fob or the key in the lock on this door, and this door does not open. So I'm guessing the actuator's gone bad. I'm going to replace the actuator, but all of this panel needs to come off anyway to do the lock, so I'll do both of those at once. And then hopefully it will lock and unlock like a normal car, because currently I'm having to reach over from this side and open that. Yeah, pain in the bum. Another problem I've noticed is the outside temperature sensor is reading incorrect. It's always read -40. It's obviously faulty. Easy enough to do. I'm going to do the oil on it. I'm going to do the oil filter, air filter, so change that. It's averaged 53 to the gallon, so I'm guessing with a good service I might get 55, 60. I don't know. It's interesting, but I'm really pleased with the 53 to the gallon. First tank of fuel was 52, second tank was 54. I'm going to get some injector cleaner in it as well. Auxiliary belt is really squeaky and it's cracked. So I'm going to get the belt and tension as ordered. I think that is quite expensive. That's £83 for that, but I'll do it myself and hopefully that'll stop that squeaking. But it will fail on me. I know it's going to fail on me. I would imagine it's never been changed. But yeah, overall guys, for the money it's been really good. So now it's time to sort any little niggles out. Another thing I noticed is a chip in the windscreen. I bought a DIY kit. I'm not holding out much hope for that, but I might be able to sort it out. I might be able to get it a little bit better than it is. I don't know. MOT is due in a month's time. So I'd like to think it will pass. I'm going to get it on the ramps as well. Sort out any welding that needs doing. Spend a day or two on this car, getting it better than what it is. And obviously document my findings in this video. Job number 1, sort the locks out. This actuator was £90, looks in good condition. This actuator was £20, looks in pretty poor condition. Why have I bought 2? Because I think there's one that goes from 2000 to 2003, and then there's one that goes from 2003 to 2007. I don't know what the deal is with that one, but this one is definitely 2002. This is the lock set. £30 paid for this one. Again, I'm not sure if it's the right one. I'm not sure if the bonnet catch is different or anything's different on the 2003 models. They definitely started making changes after 2003. We will see. First problem, it's a different size. So this is the front bonnet catch. It's definitely different on mine. I guess I could keep the original key for the bonnet latch. It'd be 2 keys then. Don't know, need to think. Okay guys, it was the actuator. So, car's open. Car's locked. Car's open. It was the £90 actuator, and the one I got for £20 is incorrect, so that's got to go back. That's obviously for a newer one. It does still need a lock set. So the bonnet lock was way too big, and the driver's door lock is a mirror image. So I'll see if I can show you this. So let's find the mechanism. The long piece is on this side, but the long piece is on this side. So yeah, it's no good. I'll find a genuine lock set, I reckon, from a breaker. Well guys, the car's on the ramps. Ooh, there's a rot hole. Anyway, I'm not focused on rot just yet. Temperature sensor, it's a non-genuine. I got it for a tenner off eBay. I've located the position to the front near side. You can just see the connector there. I'll get that switched out now. Well guys, that was really easy. It just literally goes in at the back and then you push it in where the spring retaining clip is. Really easy. Genuine Ford ones come off it. So probably original. Let's see if the one works. The one I put on works. 26. It's probably not that hot. It's probably out by about 4 degrees, 5 degrees. I'm guessing it changes as you drive along. I don't know. Let me know if you know. But that little red light's gone, which is good. Right, on to the next. This job entailed draining the oil. There's the old oil that came out of it. There's the old filter. Old filter doesn't look bad, but I guess you can never tell. Old oil doesn't look bad either. There's the old O-ring. Luckily I had the blue tub to hand. I was using the brown tub thinking, this will be alright, uh-oh. Yeah, so that can go in my waste oil. I can take that to the tip whenever it gets full. The oil filter housing, that's 36 according to the Haynes, 36mm. That was 13. I didn't have a 36 socket, so I used this big old brute. Got it off. Replaced the O-ring. New filter in, Borg and Beck filter. And it fits Ford, Jaguar and Taxi. Yeah. So I'm going to drop it down. 6 litres of oil to go in it. And I believe 6 litres of oil. And it takes, this surprised me, 530, the same as what goes in my 1800 Z-Tech. So yeah, I'll drop it down, fill it full of oil, send it back up while it's running, make sure there's no leaks. Then on to the next job. Well guys, my evening slipped away from me. There was no oil leaks on the oil change, which is cool. I've added some fuel injector cleaner. The car does have a full tank, so I've added that, and then I'll add fuel treatment on the next full tank. I don't think you can mix these. Can you mix them? I don't know. Let me know if you know. Let me know if you think these are gimmicks. I don't know. Final job for the evening is replace the driver's side wiper blade. These 3 full set front drivers, front passengers and rear were £12.50, which is quite cheap really. But I only need the one, so I'll keep the other 2 for when required. And then I'll call it a night. What I will do next is auxiliary belt, tow bar, which is here, £56 on eBay, and the chip in the windscreen and the welding. So yeah, thanks for watching guys.